Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Lokesh Kapoor and you are watching DroidCrunch. In this specific video, we are going to see how we can create a page like this where we can show the users of the website. These can be based on any role, based on any meta value that they have, based on some other filters and conditions. So keep watching and I will let you know how you can create a page like this. This setup can be helpful even when you have to create a section for your team. You have to create a section for testimonials. You can select a select field, have a testimonial as an option in the meta of your users, and use that to create testimonials or any kind of setup. So let's get in. I have created a field group named user fields in my ACF fields groups. I have 3 fields inside them. One is user, about user, that is a text area field to hold the information about the user, and an avatar image to show the DP or the image like this for the users. And then the user expertise, a select field having 3 values, beginner, intermediate and expert as the choices. So based on the choice, I can show the users dynamically, like all the users who are expert. Okay, so the expert is coming from this field itself, right? So for the purpose of this video, I have used dynamic U plugin. Dynamic U plugin has this dynamic users widget. So dynamic user widgets allows you to show the users of your website dynamically, and you have options to filter based on the roles, based on the meta value. Okay, so this is the field I have selected and the value of the meta. I can exclude the selected users, exclude users who are not having any article assigned or set to them, and I can render that in a layout where I can select all these properties and customize them and style them, or I can use to render that information as a template as well. So over here I have used these fields and filtered the users based on the role author and the user expertise of which are expert. So all the users who are author and the meta key user expertise set to expert are shown over here, and they are rendered in a grid format. Over here you can see the skin. There's 3 options: row, grid and masonry, and I have chosen the grid option to show that. Now using this information, I have used display name and role and description, and I can also show, apart from that, the articles that they have. Okay, like this. You have this bunch of options over here that you can use. You can show description, avatar, website, role, custom meta, ID, attachments, posts, button, everything that you want. So if you are not comfortable with template, you can use all that information, style that based on your need, and you can get it done right away. Okay, and now here's the option for the custom template over here. In the custom template, you can see that we have 3 results on this page, on this widget, and you can set pagination on or off as well. And then these are all the subscribers. Okay, and here in the render mode we have this template over here. So the template is very easy to use, and I have used dynamic shortcodes for making this template. Over here you can see. Let's wait till it loads completely. So now you can see the user, display name. Okay, so there is a shortcode being used. Then for the image, we have this dynamic shortcode image, dynamic tag, and in there we have this shortcode user avatar image, and then these are the social icons, and the value of those social icons are the same for all the users. So I have not created the field for these social URLs, but if you create those fields in here for your users, then you can also use that information right there in the link option. You can use a dynamic tag and set that new is a field. Okay, that's also possible, but for now it's okay to see if it works. And then you can see that this is the title. Okay, and then we have the avatar image, and then we have the social icons, and then we have over here the description about user. Okay, so this is how you can create, and you can filter the users and show what you want to show. So for the experts, you can see the user expertise is set to expert, and I am showing all the authors and nothing is excluded, and they have rendered as a template, and skin is grid. So technically this is a very suitable option for many, and can come in handy at many times, and it allows you not to do multiple changes on the page, and you just have to update the users on your website, and the page will automatically be updated. For example, you have deleted a user, or you have a content team, maybe the content manager is changed, or the information is changed. Anything, if it is changed, will be updated dynamically on the page. So you will not have to update the biography text, or the about text, or the role of the user, or you will not use to filter the information. So the page will always be updated. It will be dynamically updated as you change the information in the single user meta, or in the single user fields. So that's a very useful widget, considering that. Let me know if it helped you, and thanks for watching this video till end, and see you in the next one.